refused and said unto his master's wife, Behold, my master worketh not that is with me in the house. And he had committed all that he has to my hand.
Naye n'agamba mukazi wa mukama we nti laba, mukama wange tamanyi biri nange mu nnyumba, era yateeka byonna by'alina mu mukono gwange.
There is none greater in this house than I, neither has he kept back anything from me but thee, because thou art his wife. How then can I do this great wickedness and sin against God?
Tewali asinga nze bukulu mu nnyumba eno, so teyasigaza kintu obutakimpanze wabula ggwe, kubanga oli mukazi we. Kale nnyinza ntya okwonoona okwenkanidde awo n'okusobya ku Katonda?
And it came to pass, as she spake to Joseph day by day, that he hearkened not unto her to lie by her or to be with her.
Awo olwatuuka bwe yayogeranga ne Yusufu buli lunaku, n'atamuwuliranga kusula naye oba okubeera naye.
And it came to pass about this time that Joseph went into the house to do his business, and there was none of the men of the house there within.
Awo olwatuuka mu biro ebyo n'ayingira mu nnyumba okukola emirimu gye, so nga siwali basajja mu nnyumba muli munda.
And she caught him by his garment, saying, Lie with me. And he left his garment in her hand and fled and got him out.
N'amukwatako ekyambalo kye n'ayogera nti sula nange, n'aleka ekyambalo kye mu mukono gwe n'adduka n'avaayo.
And it came to pass when she saw that he had left his garment in her hand, and she fled forth, and was fled forth. Sorry.
Awo olwatuuka bwe yalaba ng'alese ekyambalo kye mu mukono gwe n'adduka n'avaayo.
That she came unto the men, that she called unto the men of her house, and spake unto them, saying, See, he has brought in an Hebrew unto us to mock us. He came unto me to lie with me, and I cried with a loud voice.
N'alyoka ayita abasajja ab'omu nnyumba ye, n'abagamba nti laba, yayingiza Omwebbulaniya okutuduulira, ayingidde gye ndi okusula nange, ne nkoowoola n'eddoboozi eddene.
And it came to pass, when he heard that I lifted up my voice and cried, that he left his garment with me and fled and got him out.
Awo olwatuuse bwe yawulidde nga nnyimusizza eddoboozi lyange ne nkoowoola, n'alyoka aleka ekyambalo kye gye ndi n'adduka n'avaayo.
And she laid up his garment by her until the Lord came home.
N'atereka ekyambalo kye wuwe okutuusa mukama we bwe yakomawo eka.
And she spake unto him according to these words, saying, The Hebrew servant which thou hast brought unto us came in unto me to mock me.
N'amugamba ebigambo bino bwe biri nti, omuddu Omwebbulaniya gwe watuleetera yayingidde gye ndi okunduulira.
And it came to pass, as I lifted my voice and cried, that he left his garment with me and fled out.
Awo olwatuuka bwe nayimusizza eddoboozi lyange ne nkoowoola, n'alyoka aleka ekyambalo kye gye ndi n'adduka n'avaayo.
It came to pass, when his master heard the words of his wife, which she spake unto him, saying, After this manner did thy servant to me, that his wrath was kindled.
Awo olwatuuka mukama we yawulira ebigambo bya mukazi we bye yamugamba nti, bw'atyo omuddu wo bwe yankolera, obusungu bwe ne bubuubuuka.
And Joseph's master took him and put him into the prison, a place where the king's prisoners were bound, and he was there in the prison.
Mukama wa Yusufu n'amutwala n'amussa mu kkomera ekifo abasibe ba kabaka bwe baasibirwa n'abeera omwo mu kkomera.
But the Lord was with Joseph and showed him mercy and gave him favor in the sight of the keeper of the prison.
Naye Mukama n'aba wamu ne Yusufu n'amulaga ebirungi n'amuwa ekisa mu maaso g'omukuumi w'ekkomera.
And the keeper of the prison committed to Joseph's hand all the prisoners that were in the prison, and whatsoever they did there, he was the doer of it.
Omukuumi w'ekkomera n'ateresa Yusufu mu mukono gwe abasibe bonna abaali mu kkomera, ne byonna bye baakola eyo oyo ye yabikola.
The keeper of the prison looked not to anything that was under his hand, because the Lord was with him, and that which he did, the Lord made it to prosper.
Omukuumi w'ekkomera teyatunuulira kintu ekyali wansi w'omukono gwe, kubanga Mukama yali wamu naye, n'ebyo bye yakola Mukama n'abiwa omukisa.
Praise the name of the Lord.
Erinnya lya Mukama lyebazibwe.
We can see that the hand of God was upon Joseph.
Tulaba nti omukono gwa Mukama gwali ku Yusufu.
But still the enemy does not rest.
Naye era omulabe tawummula.
As he left his father's house,
Bwe yava mu nnyumba ya
you saw
kitaawe,
how he left there.
olabye engeri gye
They were
yavaayo.
also fighting him, want to kill him.
Era nga bamulwanyisa baagala mutta.
Now he's in the Egyptian house.
Kati ali mu nnyumba
And the
y'Omumisiri.
Bible said the Lord was with him.
Era Bayibuli egamba Mukama yali wamu naye.
And because God was with him,
Kati kuba Mukama yali wamu naye,
Potiphar's house was blessed.
ennyumba ya Potifa n'eweebwa
And
omukisa.
Potiphar was able to see.
Era Potifa n'asobola okulaba.
And Potiphar made him the overseer of his household.
N'amufuula omulabirizi w'ennyumba ye.
And said, you do everything.
N'amugamba ojja kukola
You
byonna.
are above everybody apart from my wife and me.
Oli waggulu wa buli muntu yenna okuggyako mukyala wange
And he was
nange.
serving very well.
Era ng'aweereza bulungi.
But he was a very handsome man.
Naye yali muvubuka mulungi.
And when Potiphar's wife looked at Joseph,
Kati muka Potifali bwe yatunuulira Yusufu,
he started admiring him.
n'atandika omwegomba.
The devil planted him in that area
Sitaani n'amuteekawo mu kifo ekyo
to bring confusion,
okuleetawo
to
okutabula,
divert him,
okumujja ku mulamwa,
to take away
okuggyawo
what he had even before he left his father's house.
ekyo kye yali alina nga tannava na mu nnyumba ya
I want you to
kitaawe.
follow very well.
Njagala ogoberere
When he
bulungi.
left his father's house,
Bwe yava mu nnyumba ya
he left
kitaawe,
without a jacket. He
Yeah.
left with a jacket.
yavayo n'ekyambalo.
And when his brothers threw him in the pit,
Baganda be bamusula mu
they
bunnya
took away the jacket.
ne bamuggyako
But one
ekyambalo.
thing they could not take away,
Naye kye bataayinza
the
kuggyawo
dream that he heard.
kye kirooto kye yalina.
So he was taken now in Potiphar's house.
Kati n'atwalibwa mu nnyumba ya
Still he was
Potifa
carrying the dream.
ng'era akyalina ekirooto.
And Potiphar's wife made advances to him.
Kati mukyala wa Potifa n'atandika
And he
omwesemberezanga.
said, I cannot do such a thing.
N'agamba ekyo sisobola kikola.
I am a man that fears the Lord.
Ndi musajja atya Katonda.
I can never do such a thing.
Sisobola kukola kintu
I
ng'ekyo.
don't care how you're going to package yourself.
Sifaayo ngeri gy'ogenda kwetegekamu.
I don't care how you are going to do it.
Sifaayo ngeri gy'ogenda kikola.
But I am not ready to do such a wicked thing.
Naye nze sigenda kwonoona bwe ntyo.
As we are on Youth Sunday,
Nga tuli mu Sande y'abavubuka,
do we have the young men,
tulinawo ko ku balenzi,
the young women
abawala
who are saying we can stand against Potiphar's wife?
abagamba tusobola oyimirira okuziyiza muka
We are a
Potifali.
focused generation
Tuli mulembe oguli ku mulamwa,
that is here to serve God.
oguli wano weereza Katonda.
Not everything glitters is gold.
Si buli kimasamasa nti oyo zaabu.
Potiphar's wife can only give you something temporary.
Muka Potifali kyakuwa si kya lubeerera.
Potiphar's wife
Muka Potifali
can be social media.
asobola okubeera social media.
Potiphar's wife
Muka Potifali
can be the love of money that you have.
kuyinza okubeera okwagala ssente kw'olina.
Potiphar's wife
Muka Potifali
can be that Hajj
asobola okubeera hajjo
that is coming in your life.
ajja mu bulamu bwo.
Potiphar's wife
Muka Potifali
can be that girl,
asobola obba omuwala oyo,
that sugar mama
shuga mami oyo
that is trying to give you money
agezaako okuwa
for you to
ssente
survive.
gwe okusobola
But I
okubeerawo.
have bad news for you.
Naye nina amawulire amabi gy'oli.
When you accept Potiphar's wife,
Kasi tokkiriza muka Potifali,
you have destroyed your dream.
oba ozikiriza ekirooto,
You have cut your vision.
oba otemyeko
You
kukwolesebwa,
have killed your destiny.
obeera osse amagenda go.
Potiphar's wife
muka Potiphar
can come packaged very well
asobola okujja nga bamutegese bulungi
because she's in the house of the master.
kubanga ali mu nnyumba ya mukamaawo.
It's only a person who fears the Lord
muntu oyo atya katonda yekka
who can say,
yasobola okugamba
I don't care where you are,
sifaayo wa wooli,
but as long as what you want me to do is against God, I will not do it.
naye kasitooba nga kyoyagala okukola tekiri ku mukama sijja kukikola.
Money has taken away people from God.
sente zitutte abantu ne zibajja ku katonda.
People have entered in corruption
abantu bayingidde mu kulya enguzi
because of money.
olwa ssente.
People have lied
abantu balimbye
even when they stand on the pulpit
ne bwe bayimirira katuuti
because of money.
olwa ssente.
People have done nasty things
abantu bakoze ebintu ebizibu
simply because Potiphar's wife
lwakuba muka Potiphar
is strategizing or has
yateeseteese
strategized.
oba ateeseteese.
Who is that Potiphar's wife in your life?
muka Potifari yaani mu bulamu bwo
That has killed the love that you have for God.
oyo asse okwagala kw'olina eri katonda.
Who is that Potiphar's wife in your heart
muka Potifari yaani mu mutima gwo
that has made you to walk away from the church?
akuleetedde okufuluma ekkanisa.
Who is Potiphar's wife
muka Potifari yaani
in that office where you're working?
mu ofiisi eyo gy'okolera.
We know you as a born-again Christian.
tukumanyi ng'omulokole
But what are you doing with Potiphar's wife?
naye okola ki ne muka Potifari?
We know you as a young man
tukumanyi
who
ng'omuvubuka
preach the gospel.
abuulira enjiri.
What is going on with Potiphar's wife?
okola ki ne muka Potifari?
The Bible records
bayibuli ewandiika
that Joseph went in the house
nti yusufu yagenda mu nnyumba
to perform his business,
okukola emirimu gye
and there was nobody in the house
nga tewaliiwo muntu yenna mu nnyumba
apart from Potiphar's wife.
okuggyako muka Potifari.
So there were two.
kati baalimu babiri
There was no other person watching
nga
them.
tewali mulala abalaba.
The life you are living there,
obulamu bw'olimu
when no
eyo
one is seeing you,
nga tewali akulaba,
is it for a Christian, born-again Christian?
bwa muntu mulokole.
Of course, your pastor is there.
kituufu omusumba wo
Bishop
gyali,
is not there.
bishop
Your
taliiyo,
leaders are not there.
abakulembeze
You
tebaliiyo,
are alone
oli
with
wekka
Potiphar's wife.
ne muka
Can you
Potifari.
stand Potiphar's wife
osobola okyebeera
and say, I am born again?
n'ogamba nalokoka.
January to December,
Januari paka
1 to
December,
31.
lunaku lumu paka
This
lunaku.
money is not mine.
ono omusajja si wange.
I cannot destroy somebody's home.
sisobola kutta maka ga
I
muntu.
cannot do such a wicked thing.
sisobola kwonoona bwenti.
Even though
yadde
I am a foreigner.
yadde ndi
I am
mugwira.
not in my father's house.
siri mu nnyumba ya
I am in
kitange.
Egypt.
ndi mu Misiri.
I'm in a foreign land.
ndi mu nsi
I
ngwira.
have nobody.
sirinayo
But
muntu.
Potiphar's wife
naye muka
will
Potifari
not kill my dream.
togenda kutta kirooto kyange.
Nobody's watching me.
tewali andaba.
I am in a foreign land.
ndi mu nsi
I'm
ngwira.
in Potiphar's house.
ndi mu nnyumba ya Potifa.
And the wife
ne mukyala we
is saying,
aŋŋamba
come and lie with me.
jangu sula nange.
I can promote you.
nja kukuza.
I can even give you money that Potiphar does not know.
ngenda kuwa sente Potifa
It's the
zatamanyi.
business between the two of us.
kiri wakati waffe naawe.
But because Joseph
naye kubanga yusufu
feared the Lord,
yatya katonda.
and the Bible says
era bayibuli
the
egamba
fear of the Lord
kutya kwa mukama
is the beginning of wisdom.
yensibuko y'amagezi.
I don't fear the Lord because people are watching me.
sitya katonda kubanga abantu bandaba.
We are in a generation
tuli mulembe
that is living a life that you can't imagine.
oguli mu bulamu bw'otayinza
But we still
natteebereza.
preach about God.
naye ate nga bakyabuulira katonda.
We stand on the pulpit
tuyimirira katuuti
and sing in choir,
ne tuyimba mu kwaya.
but we are sleeping with Potiphar's wife.
naye nga tetuli mu kwebakana muka Potifari.
We are talking about God,
twogera katonda.
but there's Potiphar's house, wife,
naye wali omuka Potifari.
homosexuality,
ebisiyaga.
lesbianism,
ebisiyaga mu bakazi.
theft,
obubbi.
social media.
social media.
We have used it in the wrong way.
tubikozesa bubi.
You are using it to steal people.
obikozesa kubba bantu.
You have 5 men on social media
Olina abasajja 5 ku
with
mutimbagano
different identity
nga baba kumanyi mu ngeri za njawulo
because you are getting money.
kubanga ofuna ssente.
Money can be Potiphar's wife.
Ssente ziyinza okubeera muka Potifaali.
You are in that relationship
Oli mu nkolagano eyo.
and you know very well it's against God.
Olwo omanyidde ddala Katonda takyagala.
Potiphar's wife.
Muka Potifaali.
You know God.
Omanyi Katonda.
You love God.
Oyagala Katonda.
But you are still there.
Naye okyaliyo.
What are you doing with Potiphar's wife?
Okola ki ne muka
Joseph
Potifaali?
said, you will not kill what is inside of me.
Yusufu yagamba togenda kutta kiri mu nze.
I might not have it today.
Nyinza okuba sibirina
I might
leero.
not look it today.
Nyinza
But there's
obutakifaanana.
something that I carry inside of me.
Naye waliwo kye nnina munda
I
mu
remember
nze.
my dream.
Nzijukira ekirooto kyange.
I have a dream.
Nina ekirooto.
And my dream must come to pass.
Era ekirooto kyange kirina otuukirira.
How many of young men,
Bavubuka bameka.
young women
Abawala
who have
bameka.
killed their dreams
Abasse ebirooto.
because of Potiphar's wife?
Olwa muka Potifaali.
They have killed their destinies
Bassa amagenda gaabwe.
because of Potiphar's wife.
Olwa muka Potifaali.
Potiphar's wife can only give you what is temporary.
Muka Potifaali kyakuwa si kya
You
lubeerera.
can only enjoy it now,
Okinyumirwa kati.
but there's no future for
Naye
you.
nga tekirina biseera bya maaso.
You will regret it one day.
Ojja kyejjusa.
You might be driving today.
Oyinza okuba ovuga emmotoka.
You might have a flat today.
Oyinza okuba olina fulaati
But you know very well how you are getting it.
naye ng'omanyidde eddala engeri gye
You know how
wagifuna.
you got it.
Omanye engeri gye wagifuna.
You might be above.
Oyinza okuba oli waggulu.
Everybody's admiring
Buli
you.
omu akwegomba.
But inside of you, you know the truth.
Naye munda mu ggwe omanye amazima.
Potiphar's wife.
Muka Potifaali.
Devil can prepare a Potiphar's wife to divert you,
Sitaani asobola okukutega muka Potifaali okujja ku
to
mulamwa.
take you to your early grave.
Okutwala mu ntaana yo mangu.
But Joseph said, even if you take me in prison,
Naye Yusufu yagamba ne bw'ontwala mu kkomera.
the truth will set me free.
Amazima gajja kunfula ow'eddembe.
I may not have a voice
Nyinza obba siina
to
ddoboozi
defend myself.
okwewolereza.
I may not have anybody.
Nyinza obba siina
to
muntu
speak
yenna
for me.
kunjogerera.
You might strategize
Oyinza
and
oteekateeka
take me in prison.
okuntwala mu
Take
kkomera.
me in prison.
Twala mu
The
kkomera.
one I serve,
Naye gwe
the one
mpeereza.
I know,
Oyo gwe
he will
mmanyi.
deliver me.
Ajja kunnunula.
You might not have it.
Oyinza obutaba nabyo.
You might be struggling.
Oyinza obba
It is
olafuubana.
okay.
Kituufu.
Wait upon the Lord.
Lindirira Mukama.
Refuse Potiphar's wife.
Gaana muka Potifaali.
She's taking you nowhere.
Talina gy'akutwala.
We are tired of a generation
Tukooye omulembe.
that is in fornication
Oguli mu bwenzi.
and they come on pulpits
Ate nga bajja
and they want to
katuuti.
minister.
Nga baagala okuweereza.
We are tired of a generation
Tukooye omulembe.
that is busy in corruption,
Ogubadde mu kulya
but they want to
enguzi.
minister.
Ng'ate baagala okuweereza.
Potiphar's wife.
Muka Potifaali.
You are sleeping with Potiphar's wife,
Weebaka ne muka
but you
Potifaali.
do not know why you are in Potiphar's house.
Naye nga tomanyi lwaki oli mu nnyumba ya
You are
Potifa.
representing God.
Okiikirira Katonda.
Joseph was in Egypt,
Yusufu yali e Misiri.
but he said,
Naye
I
n'agamba
cannot allow
siyinza
the
kukkiriza
devil
Sitaani
to ashame my God.
kuswaza Katonda
I'd
wange.
rather go in prison.
Yakiri bansibe.
Many young men fear to go in prison.
Bavubuka bangi batya okgenda mu kkomera.
Fear hard life.
Batya obulamu obuzibu.
Fear hard working.
Batya okukola
But
ennyo.
what is amazing,
Naye
you
ekyewuunyisa.
want good life.
Naye oyagala obulamu obulungi.
You don't want to work.
Toyagala kukola.
You don't want to do anything,
Tolina kyoyagala
but you
kukola.
want flash life.
Naye oyagala obulamu obwakabi.
You want iPhone 15, iPhone 14.
Oyagala iPhone 14.
But let's ask you, where do you work from? You have no job.
Katukubuuza onagijjawa nga tokola.
You are depending on Potiphar's wife.
Oli ku muka Potifaali.
We are tired of a generation
Tukooye omulembe.
that is between two opinions.
Oguli wakati.
They are with God,
Oli ne
but
Katonda.
with the devil.
Oli ne Sitaani.
You cannot beat the devil.
Tosobola kukuba Sitaani.
You come in church.
Ojja mu kanisa.
Amazing, some of them even go in prayer and fasting. Brother, go and eat your food.
Ekyewuunyisa abalala n'okusiiba basiiba. Gundi genda olye emmere yo.
Go and eat your food as much as you want.
Genda olye emmere yo.
Because you are just on hunger strike.
kubanga oli ku strike.
Joseph said, I cannot do such a wicked thing.
Yusufu yagamba sisobola kwonoona bwenti.
I cannot.
Sisobola.
It doesn't matter what you promise me.
Sinsonga by'onansuubiza.
I will not go with you. You are not my wife.
Sijja kugenda naawe toli mukazi wange.
I'm a servant here.
Ndi muweereza wano.
I came here to serve.
Najja kuweereza.
I'll do what has brought me here.
Nja kukola kindeese.
As he was refusing,
Kati ng'agaana.
the woman,
Omukazi.
Potiphar's wife,
Muka
said, you are
Potiphar.
joking with me.
N'agamba osaaga.
All these people are coming here. That's who I am.
Bano bonna abaze bwento bwendi.
I divert
Nze mbajja ku mulamwa faya.
young men's future.
Nzijja omulamu abavubuka.
You are not the first.
Si gwe osoose.
As Joseph was trying to come out of this battle,
Kati nga Yusufu bambi kalwana kaveemu.
Potiphar's wife, I'll take your jacket, will be my evidence.
Muka Potiphar n'agamba waakiri naakwambula ne mba n'obukakafu.
And say, you can go.
N'agamba kale gwe genda.
If you like,
Oba oyagala.
come back and serve your life.
Komawo otaase obulamu bwo.
Joseph looked at the jacket
Yusufu n'atunuulira ekyambalo.
and looked at God.
N'atunuulira Katonda.
The woman said,
Omukazi n'agamba.
save yourself to go in the prison
Weetaasa ogenda mu
and come
kkomera.
and do what you were supposed to do.
Ojja okole kyeggambye okole.
Joseph looked at the woman,
Yusufu n'atunuulira omukazi.
looked at the jacket,
N'atunuulira
and
ekyambalo.
looked at God.
N'atunuulira
He said, you know
Katonda.
what?
N'agamba omanyi.
Keep the jacket.
Kuuma
Do
ekyambalo.
whatever you want.
Kola ky'oyagala.
My God
Katonda
will
wange
fight for me.
ajja kunnwanira.
I don't care
Sifaayo.
what evidence you have for me.
Bukakafu ki
Have
bw'onninako.
it. Have it.
Gitwale.
Have it with you.
Kitwale beera nakyo.
But my God,
Naye Katonda
who
wange
sees
oyo
what people
alaba
can see,
abantu bye batalaba
He will vindicate me.
ajja kumpolereza.
Potiphar's wife
Muka Potiphar
said, I have evidence.
n'agamba nina obukakafu.
You know the position of my
Omanye
husband.
ekifo ky'omwami wange.
You are going to rot in jail.
Ogenda kuvundira mu
Joseph said,
kkomera.
I look at the jail, I can see it.
Yusufu n'agamba ntunuulira ekyambalo
But there is
kirina.
God,
Naye waliyo
who is
Katonda.
the creator of everything,
Omutonzi wa
who
buli
is
kintu.
above
Ali
everything,
waggulu wa buli
who is
kintu.
above your husband.
Ali waggulu
Take
w'abalo.
me to prison.
Ntwala mu kkomera.
When I came in your house,
Bwe najja mu nnyumba yo,
I came with him.
najja naye.
I'm in your house,
Ndi mu nnyumba
but
yo,
I'm not alone.
naye siri
I
nzekka.
came with God.
Najja ne
The
Katonda.
Bible says in 1 John chapter 4,
Bayibuli egamba mu Yokaana ekisooka 4,
verse 4,
olunyiri okuna.
greater is he
Nti w'amaanyi
that is in me
oyo ali mu nze
than he
okusinga
that is
oyo
in the world.
ali mu nsi.
I might not have a Potiphar.
Nyinza oba sirina Potifa.
I might not have a lawyer.
Nyinza obutaba sirina
I might
looya.
not have a parent.
Nyinza obutaba na
I might
muzadde.
not have anybody.
Nyinza obutaba na
But I
muntu.
carry the bigger God.
Naye nina
I
Katonda
carry a big God.
ow'amaanyi. Nina Katonda
We
ow'amaanyi.
walk together.
Tutambula naye.
In prison we are together.
Mukomera tuba fembi.
In Potiphar's house we are
Mu nyumba
together.
ya Potifa tuba fembi.
He might be silent.
Ayinza oba
He
asirise.
might not be shouting.
Ayinza oba
But I
tawogala.
want you to know
Naye njagala
he is
omanye.
the best in strategies.
Yasinga okukuba empenda.
She took the garment.
N'atwala
This is
ekyambalo.
the second time
Guno mulundi gwakubiri
a jacket is taken away from him.
nga Yusufu bamuggyako ekyambalo.
They can try many times,
Basobola okugezaako emirundi
but they
mingi.
can never take away what is inside
Naye
of you.
tebayinza kuggyawo kiri munda mu ggwe.
They cannot take it away.
Tebayinza
They can take
kukikuggyako.
away a jacket.
Bayinza okutwala
Tell
ekyambalo.
them I'll buy another one.
Bagambe njafuna ekirala shatara.
You can undress me.
Osobola
You
okunnyambula.
can embarrass me.
Osobola
But
okunswaza.
my God
Naye Katonda
will
wange
vindicate me.
ajja kumpolereza.
When the husband came back,
Omwami bwe yadda.
the wife said, did you see who you brought in the house?
Omukyala n'agamba olaba gwe waleeta mu
The man you
nnyumba.
love so much.
Omusajja gw'oyagala ennyo.
See,
Laba.
he wanted to rape me.
Yabadde ankwata.
Potiphar said, Joseph,
Potifa n'agamba Yusufu.
the man I love so much,
Omusajja gwe njagala ennyo.
the man who has brought even a blessing in the house.
Omusajja yaleeta n'omukisa mu
How
nnyumba.
dare
Oyinza otya
can he do such a thing?
okukola ekintu bwe kityo?
Sleeping with my wife?
Kwebaka ne mukazi wange.
That's wanted to say you are equal with me.
Ky'ogamba twenkana.
How?
Otya.
He didn't want to know anything.
Nga talina kyayagala kumanya.
He said, you know what?
N'agamba omanyi.
Let him go in prison.
Mumutwale mu kkomera.
And Joseph said, it's okay.
Yusufu n'agamba tewali buzibu.
Take me.
Muntwale.
Do whatever you want to do.
Kola buli
But
ky'oyagala.
I will not change.
Naye sijja
And at this
kukyuka.
point, I will not speak
Era
on
ku-
myself.
Era ku ssaawa eno sigenda
I will
nakwewoozaako.
not try to defend myself.
Sijja nagezaako kwewolereza.
This God
Katonda
will
ono
defend himself.
ajja kunjogerera kumpolereza.
So they took him in prison.
Ne bamutwala mu kkomera.
And the Bible said God was with him.
Bayibuli egamba Katonda yali wamu naye.
He was still with him.
Ng'akyali naye.
He's in prison.
Ali mu kkomera.
But God is with him.
Naye nga Katonda ali
You'd
naye.
rather be in a prison with God
Waakiri obeere mu kkomera ne
than
Katonda.
in a palace with the devil.
Ekifo ky'okubeera mu lubiri ne Sitaani.
You'd rather be in Chisenyi with God.
Waakiri obeera ne Katonda.
You'd rather be in Chisenyi with God
Waakiri obeera mu kisenyi ne Katonda.
than be in Kololo with the devil.
Ekifo ky'okubeera e Kololo ng'oliyo ne Sitaani.
He was with God but
Ya-
in prison.
Yali ne Katonda mu kkomera.
God has not forgotten about you.
Katonda tannakwerabira.
That love that you have for God,
Okwo okwagala kw'olina eri Mukama.
even at that campus
Ne ku campus.
where mama is not there,
Nga mama wo
where your
taliiyo.
father is not there,
Nga kitaawo
where you
taliiyo.
are there alone,
Ng'oliyo wekka.
as a young man,
Ng'oli muvubuka.
stand with God.
Yimirira ne Katonda.
You might not have a laptop
Oyinza okuba tolina laptop.
and you have to do work assignments,
Nga tolina okukola waaka.
and there is Hajj.
Kati nga wate waliwo Hajj.
Who wants to give you a laptop?
Ayagala okuwa Mac
Say,
Pro.
keep your laptop.
Mugambe kuuma laputopu yo.
God will make a way where seems to be no
Katonda
way.
ajja kunkubira ekkubo we litali.
I know who I am.
Manyi kyendi.
I know whose I am.
Manyi ndi
I
wani.
may not have it today,
Yinza okuba sibiina
but
leero.
where I am going,
Naye gye
I
ndaga.
see the light of God.
Ndaba ekitangaala kya Mukama.
In prison with God,
Mukomera ng'ali ne Mukama.
he left a big bed.
N'aleka ekitanda ekigazi.
He left the juice.
N'aleka
He
bujuusi.
left good life.
N'aleka obulamu
He said,
obulungi.
take me there.
N'agamba onteeke
As
eyo.
long as God is with me, it
Kasita Katonda aba wamu
doesn't
nange.
matter where I find myself.
Sifaayo wawe gye
Throw
neesamba.
me,
Ntwalaayo.
embarrass me,
Munswaze.
beat me,
Nkuba.
do whatever you want to do.
Kola buli
I
ky'oyagala.
will stay focused.
Nja kusigala ku mulamwa.
Even if life has embarrassed you,
Obulamu yadde
don't give up
bukuswazizza.
on God.
Towanika ku Mukama.
Even if you are embarrassed, you are ashamed.
Yadde waswazibwa
All your
n'oswala.
friends
Mikwano gyo
are getting married.
gifumbirwa.
All your friends
Mikwano gyo
are doing so many things.
gikola bintu bingi.
Building houses,
Bazimba
buying
amayumba.
cars.
Bagula amamotoka.
Be on border with God.
Beera ne bodaboda ng'oliko ne Mukama.
Don't worry.
Totya.
It's a matter of time.
Kaseera buseera.
God is strategizing
Katonda akukubira
to
mpeera.
change your life.
Okukyusa
There's
obulamu bwo.
where He's taking you.
Era waakutwala.
Keep dreaming.
Sigala ng'okyaloota.
Keep dreaming.
Sigala
Even
ng'oloota.
if they take you in the prison,
Ne bwe bakutwala mu kkomera.
keep dreaming in the
Sigala
prison.
ng'okyalooterayo.
Now he's in the prison,
Kati ali mu kkomera.
but he's still dreaming.
Naye akyaloota.
And in this prison,
Era mu kkomera lino.
little did they know,
Abantu nga tamanyi.
little did they know, Potiphar and his family,
Nga Potifa ne banne tebamanyi.
that God has already strategized.
Nti Katonda yakubye dde ekkubo.
They are actually helping him to go where he's supposed to go.
Nga bamuyamba kutuuka wa w'ayina
To go
kugenda.
and be
Okugenda
with
okubeera.
the cupbearers of the king.
N'abo abasenero ba kabaka.
Because the king is supposed to dream.
Kubanga kabaka alina okuloota.
And no one is able to interpret the dream.
Kati ng'ate tewaliwo asobola kumuvuunulira birooto.
He's a master planner.
Katonda ye mubi wa pulaani.
He is a master planner.
Ye muteesiteesi asinga.
They have given up on you.
Baakuwanikako.
They have walked away from you. They have
Baakulekawo.
rejected you.
Baakugaana.
And even yourself, you reject yourself.
Naawe kennyini ne weegaana.
You have given up on yourself.
Naawe weegaana weewanikako
Now
dda.
every man who comes, just
Buli-
sleep with me.
Buli musajja ajja sula nange.
The whole world has slept with you.
Woodi yonna ebakako naawe.
You have given up on yourself.
Weewanikako
Because
weevaako.
people have walked away from you.
Kubanga abantu
You
baakuleka.
don't love yourself anymore.
Tokyeyagala.
You don't see yourself anymore.
Tokyerabawo.
You are tired of life.
Naawe okooye
You
obulamu.
are tired of yourself
Weekoowa
because of the situation.
olw'embeera.
As you are tired of yourself,
kati gwe nga
God is
weekooye
not tired of you.
katonda
If you
tannakoowa
can only open your eyes, if
singa oggulawo
you
amaaso
can
go
only open your inner spirit
singa oggulawo omwoyo
and
wo
listen to the Holy Spirit,
n'owuliriza omwoyo omutukuvu
very soon